Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today while I'm decorating my den, I am going to be talking to you about everything that's been going on. So, for example, right here, we've got a problem because this is like a little, it's not a cafe or anything, it's just like a little hangout area, to be honest. Like, it's gonna have 2 tables. It's like my Christmas den, but like my hangout den for winter. So you can feel free to come trade if you want. I don't mind. But, you know, you got to be cool in the summer and decorate. So that's what I'm doing. So, as you can see, what you do. Oh god, I need to get my pets out. So, I could technically put that there and then put that there and get like a shelf and a table. So, I want my, oh, there's my gorgeous snow leopard. I want him on my sofa. Downstairs. Where's my polar bear? There it is. There you are. Yeah, there you go. Arctic. See? Wild animals. Oh god, which animals go in the icy area? Like, this is like a cuddle buddy. So let's search up Frozen. So anyway, what I've actually come to explain about is the fact that about the YouTube channels. I am going to be having 2 YouTube channels, and basically what's going to happen is, yeah, obviously I'm going to be like, oh yeah, all that stuff, but they're like, oh, you just want subscribers and stuff like that, when no, I actually want, oh, do I have to refresh? Yeah, oh, there it is. And basically, just quickly gonna put the phone on charge. And what's happened, the reason why is because I can't be bothered to go through the progress of waiting 24 hours a day just for my phone to actually be able to do, to be live. So I'm gonna leave a link down below which has 18 subscribers. And it was my old YouTube account. It kind of was my old YouTube account that I used to be on a lot. But, yeah, you know. And it's got 18 subscribers on there, so, yeah. So, I'll do live videos and get my inflatable tree out. Ooh. I like this, you know. Ooh, let's have a little inflate. Actually, I could do it like, yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. You know, don't think I'm gonna add that there actually. So, this is kind of like a tutorial, but I just wanted to actually say that I'm having, so this is just going to be videos. That's all they'll be. videos, 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 videos. So video this, video that, and everything. So I just wanted to make that pretty clear before any of you start saying, oh, you should go live. Or I end up saying, at a certain amount of subs, I will go live for the first time because otherwise I won't be able to go live. So I will be going live today at some point. So you guys should be happy about that. But yeah, other than that, that's all I wanted to say really. Apart from have fun and have a good day. So guys, I hope to see you soon. Bye! Actually, I hope to see you on my live watching. Bye!